Welcome to Blue Halo Med Spa. Do you have any of the following conditions? Age spots, sun damage, redness, or rosacea? Do you suffer from acne? We have the solution for you. Let us introduce you to our BBL Photo Facial. This treatment uses broadband light to renew and rejuvenate the skin. BBL can dramatically improve UV damage and fade or eliminate brown spots. BBL can also control the appearance of rosacea by reducing redness and minimizing small blood vessels. Acne sufferers can benefit from BBL's therapeutic light therapy, which kills bacteria below the surface of the skin. Contact us today for a complimentary consultation to see how BBL can make you forever young. Hello everyone, I'm Desiree Carden, Operations Manager of Blue Halo Med Spa. Today we're going to be talking about water-assisted liposuction. Water-assisted liposuction is a method of using water to gently dislodge fat cells which then are removed from the body. This is great for reducing stubborn fat pockets or reducing areas that just do not respond well to diet and exercise. Here's some of the benefits of actually using water-assisted liposuction. Number one, it's more comfortable. Two, it makes the fat cells removed more viable. In other words, they're going to be able to stay intact, which make them more ideal to be transferred to different parts of the body, which is also another option that you can do here at Blue Halo Med Spa. A lot of people ask, do I have to be under general anesthesia or do I have to be sedated? The great news is that with water-assisted liposuction here at Blue Halo Med Spa, the answer to that is no. You are given a mild anti-anxiety medication along with some pain relievers. We also offer Pronox, which is a combination of oxygen and laughing gas to help you relax, but you're fully awake and aware of everything that's going on at that time. Downtime will vary from person to person depending upon the areas you have done and lifestyle considerations. Most people find that within a couple days they're back to work, back to slowly introducing themselves into their normal activities. Exercise usually is something that's put off until about a month or so, but most people find that the downtime is not what they expect. It's a lot less. Cost will vary depending upon the areas done and whether or not you actually have the fat removed transferred to another body part. Every person is different. We encourage you to come in for a complimentary consultation with our physician. He goes over your options and we set it up to where you get the best possible deal. In conclusion, if you think water-assisted lipo is for you, please visit us at our website, bluehalomedspa.com, or give us a call here at the spa, 502-690-6029, to set up your complimentary consultation. Thanks so much for watching our video and sticking to the end. We've got a new surprise. We're always doing the newest and greatest things here at Blue Halo, and we're getting ready to take liposuction into the next dimension with Renuvion. It is a skin tightening process that is phenomenal. Stay tuned.
We hope that these videos were educational for you. If you would like more information for you personally, you can visit us at bluehalomedspa.com or give us a call. You can watch more videos here and more videos here. Please be sure to like and subscribe.
Bring yourself in all your homies and throw it down, 'cause we're turning it up. We're turning it up, yeah.
Hey Halos, it's Desiree and Rhonda from Blue Halo Med Spa, and today we're talking about another one of our favorite products. Obviously we love everything that we carry here at Blue Halo because it works. So we spend a lot of time investing in really looking at products that are going to be the best value. So one of the ones we're going to talk about today is our Color Science Total Protection for face and body. Now, if you've used it, you know that you love it. You may not be aware that we actually have it in a bronzing formula. So Rhonda, would you like to talk a little bit about what happens when you put on the bronzer?
Absolutely, I do love this stuff. Okay, so what's really cool about it, if you've used bronzers in the past, they come off on your clothing, you know, they tend to, when you're sweating or you're outside, they get spotty or they look a little orange. This one is really cool because it doesn't build upon itself. You use it and it's there for a good solid day, but it doesn't transfer onto your clothing. You cannot hardly tell you had it on there, but it does give you a nice tint, a really great glow.
Yes.
And it's protecting your skin very, very well because you're not going to burn with it. It has your sunscreen in it. Where most of those bronzers, you're adding sunscreen to it, that type of thing. Well, I can personally say I was using this the other day and I was outdoors a lot, sweating, and it did not get on my clothing in any way. I really, really love this product. So not only the regular sunscreen that doesn't have the bronzer in it, but I do. I'm a big fan during the summertime of this. Being a redhead, don't tan a lot. This is a great option.
I don't tan either. It's a believable color. A lot of times with bronzers, if you are fair, everybody knows the dreaded orange. So you don't tend to have this. Just like with everything in color science, their iron oxides that they use for their coloring are very adaptive to skin tones. This is a mineral-based product, so it is going to be safe for sensitive skin. I've taken it to Florida and worn it in Florida sun and did not burn. It is waterproof for a while, but it's really nice to have something to wear. Many times with self-tanners or bronzers, they're on for a couple days, and if you have an oops, you gotta live with it. With this, you go home at night, you take your shower, you exfoliate it off, and you start over the next day. So SPF 50, environmentally protective, so not only of SPF, but of blue light damage and free radical damages that we gain from staring at our computer screens and everything. It's a win-win to me.
It really is. And Des, I don't know, if, you know, for those that are doing laser hair removal or have even thought about it, if you use a self-tanner that's on there for a good 5 to 7 days, you cannot have your laser skin treatment done.
Absolutely.
Because laser hair removal, it will see that color and it'll burn your skin. This, you could use it, go out, have a little bit of color to your skin, take your shower the next day, come in and have your laser treatment, and it doesn't impact your treatments and get you off schedule. So it's a really great thing with your laser hair removal too. So
BBL, photo reface, you know, resurfacing, anything like that. So it's a great temporary solution while giving you protection for your skin. So
Absolutely.
Check it out. If you're interested in it, come see us, give us a call. We'd love to hear from you, and let us know, what are your favorite products in the comments. We'd love to hear from it. We're always trying to grow and expand what we do. So check it out and give us the information. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Dr. Panay from Blue Halo Med Spa. Today we're going to be talking about PRP. It stands for platelet-rich plasma, which is a method of abstracting high concentrations of growth factors in stem cells that then we can use them in several different procedures in the medical field. It used to be done in the medical field for wound care. Orthopedics use it for joint enhancement of the tissue, and now we're using it cosmetically for several procedures in which we use the PRP, which is platelet-rich plasma that comes from the same patient. So we extract it from the patient, process it, extract the high concentration of growth factors in stem cells, and then apply the different areas of the body to enhance healing, to enhance the cosmetic results that we are reaching for. And it is used in several different procedures. So Which ones are the procedures that we use PRP for here at Blue Halo Med Spa? There are basically 4 procedures that we use it on. One will be the vampire facelift, the vampire facial, the O-shot, and the P-shot. So we will talk about all those 4 procedures one at a time, and I explain briefly what each one is. The first 2 that I'm going to talk about is the vampire facelift and the vampire facial. They're very related, and the terms are a little bit confusing, but they're a little bit different and they're done differently. The vampire facelift is actually taking PRP, extracted from the same patient, and then injecting it in the areas in the face mostly, where we mostly use it, although we can use it in other parts of the body, but use it in areas where we want to enhance. It's used almost as equivalent to using fillers, but instead of using artificial filler material, we're using PRP, which comes the platelet-rich plasma. It has growth factors and has stem cells that would enhance the results of the results. It can be done in combination with fillers in those cases in which we need to do enhancements or that needs fillers in some areas of the face. But the vampire facelift is usually using PRP, platelet-rich plasma, and injected in different areas where the person wants to enhance and get wrinkle reduction, texture improvement, and it gives a very natural look without looking artificially enhanced or changed in the terms of the procedure. We're going to talk about the vampire facial now. It is really using the same technique, using PRP, but instead we use the microneedling, which is tiny little microneedles that produce channels in your skin, and topically we apply the PRP and it penetrates through those channels, giving us the same results or enhanced results by penetrating through the skin, give us a better look and better results that way. The next procedure I'll be talking to you about is the P-shot. The P-shot is a procedure in which we inject a series of PRP injections into the shaft of the penis of the patient. That's why we call it the P-shot. It is done to enhance blood flow and restore the function of erection in patients who have that problem. That happens in males when we get old or because of certain diseases like diabetes or other conditions in which we lose the functionality of erection or the erectile dysfunction. By applying PRP on the shaft of the penis in a series of injections, it restores that functionality because PRP reestablishes blood flow circulation in that area and brings that functionality of erection to a normal state. Instead of doing it artificially with medication like Viagra or Cialis, this is more natural. It is long lasting, so you would not need to have the need for medication in order to perform and get an erection when you have this condition, erectile dysfunction. So PRP is very effective, it's a natural way, and has a long lasting effect. The last and 4th procedure is called the O-shot or the orgasm shot. It is an injection procedure too. It is using PRP in order to restore the tissue of the vagina and the area around the vagina where it controls the urinary incontinence, which is one of the symptoms that many people have related to estrogen levels drop in the females. There are certain circumstances in which the female's estrogen comes down, whether it's medically for medical reasons or as their life expectancy after menopause where the estrogen naturally comes down. Those conditions in the females produce dryness of the mucosa. They don't have that much normal secretions. They have painful intercourse and dryness, and then mainly also urinary incontinence, which is a related symptoms that many of these females have. All of those can be corrected by the use of PRP. PRP or platelet-rich plasma, by being injected into the area restores the tissue, restores the lubrication, restores the functionality of that tissue, making it less painful when having sex, or has a lot of lubrication, which is, take care of the dryness, and then takes care of the urinary incontinence very effectively. It's a very simple procedure, a one-time deal, and restores all that. The results are amazing. We do have some testimonials that we would like to present to you of people who have had it and give you the experience and the results.